Okay, I'm starting. Alright, today we're going to put the fiberglass reinforced panel board up on the walls. And what I did ahead of time was I put this pink foam board in between the aluminum frame so that not so much for the insulation, but this panel board is pretty thin. We're going to attach it here at each piece of aluminum, and this will just give it some support so when we wipe it down it doesn't want to crack. I'm just reusing the fasteners that I took out when I took the OSB out. They're self-tapping screws. Squared away.
Yeah.
Oh shit, I missed it.
Where's your thumbs up?
I'm not done yet. Well, there we go. We got the fiberglass reinforced panel board up on this wall. We're going to go around the whole rest of the trailer, but we're done for tonight. Alright, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe for the updates.